we can get an early appointment of our visa biometric. Keep in mind your visa process starts from the day of your biometric appointment. Like priority visa service will cost you almost £350. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So this is again a very important and repeatedly asked question. People ask me repeatedly, is there any way like we can get an early appointment of our visa biometric? Like if you are applying for the skilled worker visa, you are applying for the standard visitor visa, or you are applying for the student visa, so how you can get an early appointment of your biometric? Because if you will get an early appointment of your biometric, your visa process will start early. Keep in mind your visa process starts from the day of your biometric appointment. It doesn't start from the day of your application, online application. Visa process starts from the day of your biometric appointment. So if you have already applied for the visa, now you have to move forward to get the biometric appointment. It's a very straightforward process. But if you have already taken the biometric appointment, but it's very late, like 2-3 weeks, 4 weeks late, and you want an early appointment of your biometrics, so this video is for you. So what you have to do, you have to just log in the VSF Global Visa application, and when you will go toward the payment, first of all, you have to do the payment of your standard visitor visa or standard skilled worker visa. First of all, you have to pay the standard fee. Once you have paid the standard fee, and when you will select the area, the location, the city of your biometric appointment, then there is another option. I will show you shortly in the laptop screen, where you can change your standard visitor visa or the standard skilled worker visa service to the priority visa. Please keep in mind, if you are going to take the priority visa, you will get the early appointment of your biometric. For example, if your standard visa biometric is after 30 days, so hopefully you can get the priority visa biometric appointment within 5 to 7 days. So if you are going to get the biometric appointment 3 weeks early as compared to your standard visitor visa or the standard skilled worker visa or the standard student visa, so definitely, and after having the biometric appointment of your priority visa, you will get the decision within 5 working days. So what does it mean? It's mean you are going to save your at least 3 to 4 weeks, and you are going to save what you are going to save yourself from having the anxiety of the visa process. But it will cost £250, Great Britain pound. Like you have to pay the fee, that is the £100 of the standard visitor visa. So after paying the £100, you have to pay £250 extra. So what does it mean? Like priority visa service will cost you almost £350. So if you want to go for the priority visa, just watch the video. I am going to take you toward the laptop screen and I will show you everything. So as I told you earlier, you will go in the payment option. Here you can see, you will come down. First of all, in the payment, you have to choose the length of your visit visa, 6 months, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year. I am going for 6 months. So I will select and I will save it. After selection of the 6 months, you can confirm over here. If you want to change, you can change as well. So here you can see, based on your choice, the standard service, we have to pay 38,300 Pakistani rupees. That is equal to £100 on the given date I am applying. So they are saying, if we want the priority services, you can read this. If we want priority visa services, first of all, we have to book the appointment of the biometric. During the appointment of the biometric, what we can do, we can change this standard visa service to the priority visa or the super priority visa services. Unfortunately, there is no super priority visa services in Pakistan, so you can only get the priority visa. You will go down, click on the continue button. So first of all, you have to do, you can check again, 38,300 Pakistani rupees. You have to pay these rupees. You can read this as well. So after reading this, what we are going to do, we are going to pay the given amount, continue button. So here you can say that payment is successful and everything is done. You can print the confirmation, you can go forward, save and continue to the final task. So this is very important. Before booking your priority visa, this is the very important slide. You can say you have to download the checklist, then you have to provide the document, and you have to book the biometric. So download checklist, what documents are needed? You can download the checklist of those documents. If you want, you can open this checklist as well. And after downloading the checklist of the documents, you have to upload the document and you have to book the biometric date. So now we are going to book the biometric date, then we will upload the document. So here you can see they are saying your application will not be successful until you get the biometric appointment and you attend the biometric appointment. So we will click on the save button. So here VSF Global is saying that we are going to give you the biometric appointment, and VSF Global is official partner of the UK visa service. So you will come down, you will select first of all country is already selected during the application. Then you will select the center. There are 4 centers in Pakistan: Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore and Mirpur. I am going to select the Islamabad, and this is for the standard visa. I will continue, and if I want to book the standard visa biometric appointment, I will book here. But we are going to book the biometric appointment on the priority services. So after selection of the your location, once again that is Islamabad, now we will come down. Here you can see this is the standard visitor visa. Standard visa, you will click over here. You can see we are going to select the priority visa, and here they are saying a fee of the 250 GBP applies for this service. This fee is only for the biometric appointment. Okay, so you will click on the continue button. When you will move forward, this page will open in front of you. So here you can pick the appointment date. You can see over here that pick an appointment date, and they are showing you the appointment dates available in 3 colors. Number 1 is the green, number 2 is the pink I think, and number 3 is the black one. Black mean not available and green mean available and paid. And what is meant by the pink, they are the paid only. So I am going to select the 7 which is green. You can see over here I am going to pay the £250 and this date is available. Okay, so I have selected the 7 date, and after this you can get the premium lounge if you want, but for the premium lounge you have to pay £50 extra. I am not so much interested in getting the premium lounge services, so I have taken the priority visa services. I am going to select the 4 p.m. and I will continue then. So these are the extra services available if you want to get them. Like you can get the digital application submission. If you don't want to send your passport, you can get the service. If you don't want to upload your documents by your own, you can get service over here. So I am not going to take any extra service. I am just going to select continue button. So here you can review your details and then you have to pay. So I am going from Pakistan to United Kingdom. This is the visa Islamabad center. This is the visit visa. So my appointment is Monday 7th of August, and this is priority time is given. So I have to pay only 250 because I have not taken any additional. So continue button, as I have not taken any additional service, I am going to pay the £250. So now after going on the continue button, you have to enter your bank card details. When you will enter your bank card details, you will click on the pay now button and you have to confirm your payment from your bank account app. So thank you for the booking an appointment. So this is my receipt of the payment for my biometric appointment, which is on the 7th of August. You can check the transaction details over here as well. So everything is given over here. So then we will go back to our account, because after going back to our account, what we have to do, we have to click on the manage our account, because we have to check the appointment details, we have to check the applicant details, we can self upload the different documents as well. So here you can see the details of your biometric appointment, and you can download the confirmation letter. Again, you can print the appointment letter if you want, and you can see the appointment letter as well. So after this, you can check the appointment details of the applicant. The applicant details only email is given over there. So after this, if you want to upload your documents with the self upload service, you can do as well. So here you can see different categories including accommodation, education, financial, additional documents, consent letter, employment evidence, sponsor evidence. All categories are mentioned here, but unfortunately if you want to upload some document and it's not mentioned in these categories, you can upload that additional documents in the box of the additional documents. You have to upload other documents in additional documents. So guys, please keep in mind there is no need of TB certificate for standard visitor visa, but for the other visa as well. So this is all about regarding today's video. Thank you for watching.